Now let us look at how to activate the AI navigation system with the dungeon. It's very simple. You select the component, AI Navigation, NavMesh Interface, and press Bake. In inactive, it is ready. I am inserting prefabs with some 3D characters already set up to control with the navigation system. The first one is the game character, while the others are the enemy characters that have their own path intelligence and follow you in the dungeon structure. Now we try out the example by playing and moving the character by clicking on the floor. He will move in the dungeon.